Thank you for meeting me on my mat today. And hopefully you're in a relaxing place in your house where you feel centered and settled. This yoga flow is meant to help you energize your body by taking some very deep breaths, letting go of what does not serve you, inviting more of what you need. This flow can be done in the morning, or if there's a time that you're getting ready for a big event and you need to be fully aware, fully full of attention, feel free to do that at that time. My name is Jeryn Alise Turner, founder of Chameleon Consciousness. I use restorative yoga, breathwork, and reiki to balance out energy so that you feel like you're the hero in your own life. And by using these techniques, we move out all of the chaos, any clutter, any internal conflict, or even conflict with others, so you can get really intentional about what is needed in that moment, and so you can prioritize you. And what a better way to prioritize self-care than your yoga mat. Join me first by placing your hands on your knees as we take a couple of cleansing breaths. Deep inhale through the nose. Open mouth, exhale. Deep inhale through the nose. Open mouth, exhale. Closing your eyes so we can take that body scan. Just taking some internal inventory of where your mind may be, where your thoughts may be, respecting exactly where you are in this moment, but also honoring the yoga practice by allowing your breath to release any of that stagnant energy. First, starting at the top of your head, actively inviting anything at this moment that you're thinking about. The traffic, the work deadlines, what you need to do for your kids, for yourself, for your family, what is for dinner tonight. Let that all come to the top of your head. You're human, and I want you to feel like yourself. And then on this next inhale and exhale, we're gonna have all those thoughts come to the top of your head, and we're gonna exhale them. Not implying that they're not important, but for this next 10 minutes, allowing them to pause so you can tap in to what is most important now. Flowing with the energy from your head to your neck. Move your right and left side, bringing that right ear to your right shoulder, walking out that left hand, noticing how the left side of your body feels. Taking a deep inhale, open mouth exhale as you bring your left hand back to your knee, coming back to center. Deep inhale, focusing now on the left side. As you walk the right hand out. One side may be a little tighter, which is completely fine. As a right-handed individual, this is my dominant side, so oftentimes I'm spending more time to give it the love and attention it needs, since it does a lot of the work. Walking that hand back as you come back to neutral. We're flowing with the energy down, focusing now on our chest. Bringing your two thumbs together to create a little heart right over your heart. In the spirit of feeling human, you think and you feel. Acknowledge those feelings. We're going to take a deep inhale to invite more of what makes you feel good. Open mouth exhale to let go of anything that you don't think is meant for you in this moment. And then placing your hands on your belly. This is a barometer for how deeply you are breathing. You can't create space if you're holding on to the past. So as you breathe, really allowing your belly to fill up with air. And as you let it all go, really allowing everything to deflate. Deep inhale through the nose, allowing that belly to fill up with air. Open mouth exhale as you let it go. Deep inhale, inviting all of the good feelings. Open mouth exhale, letting go of things that have exceeded their expiration date. Deep inhale, letting it all in. Open mouth exhale, letting it all go. Continuing to leave your hands on your belly as you're moving with the energy down your body to your lower back, your hips, your thighs, your knees, your calves, your shins, your ankles, the top of your feet, the bottom of your feet, and your 10 little toes, small but mighty, which is just like your spirit. You keep getting up. You're resilient. You know your body in this experience was meant to create strength, wisdom, and enlightenment. We'll seal that body scan by taking a deep inhale through the nose. Open mouth exhale as you place your hands on the opposite sides of your knees, closing your legs up like a book. Hands go alongside your body for a quick windshield wiper movement. This may be the first time you're moving the body, so we always start with gentle movements, small but significant. And then on this next movement, allowing your knees to fall to the right as you bring your feet to the left. Inhale, hands come up overhead. Exhale, right hand goes alongside your body. Left hand goes on your right knee as you look over your right shoulder. With every inhale, lengthening the spine. With every exhale, twisting that much deeper. Focusing on that lower back. Creating movement, releasing any tension. Deep inhale, exhale, twisting a little bit deeper. Deep inhale, twisting one more time. The biggest deep inhale, and as you exhale, coming back to center. Hands go alongside the body. Feet placement on the mat. As you begin to move your legs, noticing how one side feels compared to the other. What we do on one side, we do on the other to create symmetry and balance. And then allow your legs to fall to the left as you bring your feet to the right. Squaring your hips to the center. Deep inhale, hands go overhead. Exhale, left hand goes alongside your body, right hand finds that left knee. As you look over your left shoulder, with every inhale, lengthening the spine, with every exhale, twisting deeper. Holding the pose, but not holding your breath. Deep inhale, exhale, twist. Deep inhale, exhale, twist. Twists are phenomenal at letting go and releasing stagnant or stale energy. Imagine your body is a wet towel that you're wringing out. Deep inhale, exhale, twist. Releasing, coming back to center, bringing the soles of your feet together for butterfly. Grabbing right at your ankles. Once again, creating movement in that lower extremity, releasing any tension in that lower back and in your hips and thighs. And then pausing for a moment, placing your right hand over your heart, your left on your stomach as you close your eyes. Supta Baddha Konasana is a way for you to tap in to your heart desires while balancing them out with your gut instincts. We stay here for a moment to reflect and tap in on what our heart is telling us. Those feelings of love, feelings of acceptance. And then as you place that belly on your belly, knowing that those gut instincts are grounding you to make the right decisions. Trusting yourself to be rooted in your beliefs, in your truth, in enlightenment, and in wisdom. The marriage of the two always create the intuition that you need. Continuing to hold this position as you deeply inhale into that heart space, and as you exhale, once again, deep inhalation into your gut instincts, nurturing what you know to be true, and reminding yourself that you know what is needed for you in this moment. We'll hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Open gaze with your eyes, reaching down alongside your knees as you close your legs up like a book, placing your hands alongside your body. Deep inhale, and as you exhale, extending your legs long for seated forward fold. Deep inhale, hands come overhead. Exhale, bending at your elbows as you reach down below and release any tension in the lower back. By flexing your feet, you're working the back of your legs. By pointing your feet, you're working more of that lower back. Your mat, your practice, your decision. Breathing in and out of the nose. Deep inhale, open mouth exhale. On your next inhalation, grabbing for your ankles as you pulse, once again warming up that lower back to prepare for the next pose. Flexing your feet, continuing to pulse. Stilling the moment and the motion as you reach forward, bringing your hands up overhead, placing your palms together, centering any of the energy as you place your hands on your knees. Breathing in, allowing your shoulders to come up to your ears, and as you exhale, release. Shoulders to ears, exhale, release. Shoulders to ears, exhale, release. Placing your hands alongside you as you swing your legs around to prepare for cat-cow. Inhale, looking up at the ceiling as your stomach goes to the direction of the mat. Exhale, curving everything under for cat. Inhale, cow. Coming back to tabletop, kicking your left foot back, right hand forward, bringing knee to elbow, taking an inhale, knee to elbow, inhale, exhale, knee to elbow, and then stretching this and holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Right foot comes back, left hand goes forward, knee to elbow, and extend. Inhale, knee to elbow, and extend. Knee to elbow, and extend. Knee to elbow, and extend. One more time, knee to elbow, extend and hold. Releasing. Big toes to touch, knees the width of your mat as you take a deep inhale. Exhale, bringing your head down as you extend your hands in front of you for child's pose. Taking deep breaths here, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Bending at the elbows as you bring your palms together for prayer. May your day be energized. May it be full of peace. May this time we spent together give you everything that you need to feel good, to create goodness, and to be your best self. Have an amazing day.